Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine. Welcome to NIFS Home School. This is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, morning shift. Today, I would like to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, grammar number A. Okay, so let's see. Class Junior 1, subject English, term annual, topic grammar number A. Lecture 11, SW will be 9, teacher Ariful Islam, messenger Ariful Bari. This is my mobile number and this is today's date 10/9/2020. So let's take a look at number 9. This is grammar is number 9 in your syllabus. Number A, complete the sentences with am, is, are. Complete the sentences with am, is, are. So before this, we have to learn some things. So if you come here, after I, we always use am. After I, we always use am. We always use am only after I. No other subjects, no other pronouns. Only after I, we use am. Next, we use is after he, she, it, any name. Name have to be any name, and the name have to be in own name. So after he, she, it, he, she, it. He means one person, she means one, it means one name, any name. That means one name. That means Rodoshi, Kamal, Jamal, Suha, Umar, Arif, okay, Aminul. So you have to be in one name in one. It can be Rohim, it can be Suha, it can be Sharif, it can be Umar. Rohim is one, Suha is one, Sharif is one, Umar is one. So name must be in one. So he, she, it. After he, she, it, name, any one name, we use the verb is. This is called third person singular number. This is called third person and singular number. Okay, and where we use are, we, you, they, and name. Not, and the name will have to be revealed in many. So we, after we not one, we means a lot of people, you, yours, a lot of people, they, a lot of people's name, not one name, many. If I say the girls, the girl, one. If I say the girls, the boys, many boys. If I say the girl, one, the girls, many girls, the boy, one, the boys, many girls, many boys. If I say people, okay, so after this we use are. This okay, after we, you, they, name, many, name will indicate many, we will use are. Okay, I hope you have understood. Let's read again. After I, we always use am. After he, she, it, any name, any one name, we use is, such as Rohim, Suha, Sharif, Umar. After we, you, they, name, many name, we use are. The girls, the boys, people. Name will be many. Okay, let's solve our today's class. So complete the sentences with am, is, are. So he, we have to look only subject, okay, and then we will put this verb. So he means one person. He means one person. That's why we will have to use is. Why use? Because he one person, and after he, she, it, we use is. After I, so he is very sad. He is very sad. Number 2, I dash very tired. So after I, what did I say? After I, we will always use am. After I, we will always use am. I am very tired. After I, we will always use am. Number 3, we dash swimming in the pool. So what did I say? After we, you, they, and name, many name, we will have to use are. We not one. We means a lot of people. So after we have to use are. So we are swimming in the pool. We are swimming in the pool, because after we will use are, because we means a lot of people. The subject is plural. Here in this case, he is subject is singular. And is called singular verb, and are is called plural verb. You will learn when you grow, when you read class 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are swimming in the pool. Number 4, they dash playing with a ball. So they means, this is a third person plural number. Okay, let's see. They means one person or many person. They means a lot of people. They, a lot of people. So what did I say? We, you, they, name many. After this subject, we use are. Why? They are playing with a ball. Why we are using are? Because subject is lot of people. If subject is one person, we will use is, and subject is lot of people, we will use are. So they are playing with a ball. Let's go to number 5. It dash a cute dragon. So what did I say? It means one person, one thing. Here is it means one dragon. So it, after it, we will use the singular verb, that is. What did I say? After he, she, it, we will have to use is. Why use? It means one thing. Here one dragon. Okay. Number 6. She dash a tall girl. So what did I say? After he, she, it. So he, she, it. She is one girl. Okay. As this is one girl, we will have to use is, because after he, she, it, in one name, we use verb is. Okay. Number 7, we dash dancing. So after we, after subject we will use are. Why? Because we means a lot of persons, lot of people. Okay. So after we, they, we will use are. So we are dancing. Number 8, I dash eating a sandwich. I dash eating a sandwich. So you know, after we will always have to use am. After I, we will always have to use am. I am eating a sandwich. So let's read again. 9 grammar. Complete the sentences with am, is, are. My dear students, listen very carefully. Am, is, are, these are called verb. So we use verb according to the subject. We use verb according to the subject. Let's see. He means one thing. We have to use is. I say, okay, he is very tired. So I am very tired. After I, always am. We are swimming in the pool. We means many persons. Number 4, they are playing with the ball. They means many persons. That's why we are using are. Okay. Number 5, it is a cute dragon. Is, we are using is verb because subject is one thing, it. She is a cute dragon. She means one. Number 7, we are dancing. We means a lot of persons. Number 8, I am eating a sandwich. After I, we will always have to use am. I am reading for the last time. Please carefully listen carefully. He is very sad. Number 2, I am very tired. Number 3, we are swimming in the pool. Number 4, they are playing with a ball. Number 5, it is a cute dragon. Number 6, she is a tall girl. Number 7, we are dancing. Number 8, I am eating a sandwich. So your SW will be SW9, submit on Sunday, grammar A. Okay, your SW will be grammar A. SW9, submit on Sunday, grammar A. So my dear students, that's all for today. Do your assigned SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. Your SW is very important because we are giving SB and CT mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. We are giving 2 mark each of your SW copies. So keep practicing at home. Above parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.